Right, yeah. So, there you can see the thing that I'm putting in the kitchen. Now, you probably remember there was a load of things for the fridge, which I had. But now, I found this, and I put all those packets up in here. Okay, so there you can see all the things, all the little canned things, and tea, and biscuits, and all that is up there. And in the bottom, now I don't know how this is going to be because it keeps falling over, but I have to put them in properly. Down here, I put all the, yeah, they've all fallen all over, of course they have. All the cereal boxes, because they won't go up the top. And here, we've got this, oh dear, I can't open it, can I? Yeah, there's the cutlery drawer there. You see, there's a full case things, and there's also a carving knife, fork, and sharpening iron in there. So they can be in there, and then they won't get lost, will they? I don't think they. I don't know what it is. Just to get that one in. Okay, so there you go. There's all that in there. That's all good, isn't it? That needs to be put in there properly so they don't keep moving about. And we'll see. Right. So that's that part done. And now, what I'm going to be doing, I've got these other things I was going to show you now. Come on, that's it. There we go. Right, now then, here we go. This is the second day of this one. Didn't get them out of the package before. So there's these 4 little glasses of pink grapefruit juice, and they've got little bits on them, haven't they, at the top? But what we need to do for these is we need to get a jug to go with that. And I was wondering how I'm going to do that. I think I probably got one actually, but I'm just wondering how to get it that colour inside. And I just had a brilliant idea. So, that's that. Now then, here we have some things for the bathroom. We have this, well, it's so hard to see these. That's, I think it's rose perfume, that one. God, I can't see these things. Oh, God. Right, yeah. So there's love talc, that one. That one. And then we got this one. I'm not sure what this is. It's a nice box, but I don't know what it is. It doesn't say what it is on it. There's something called Julia. I don't know what it is. It doesn't say. There's a oil of Ulay, that one. Yeah, hang on. This one. Soft something, it says on it. I think it's another, I don't know, it's something. And then here is this one. Hair removal cream, that one. There's a box of Sensigal, that toothpaste you can get. Voltarine Jet, that jet gel, that one. Flu and sore throat, that one. We got a box here, hot pink brush. Now I've got the that as well, but it won't go in the bottle. There it is. Here's the thing, goes with that. I think this is a box of kittens, that one. And just that one. We've got hard to see what some of these are. Lardry. It's lardry. You know what I'm trying to say, don't you? I just can't say these words. There's another dog box there. There's this dove perfume. And then there's this little pink, nice little towel there. And look at this one, which is I don't know. Oh dear. Perfume it says on it. So you can make up what you like about that one. Whatever you want it to be, it will be that. I think so. Thank you. So there's those things I got there for the bathroom. Okay, so what I'm looking to get now is a little chest of drawers, so I can put all that on it. What will go on it anyway. So yeah, so there's that one then. So there's that one. And now I'm going to show you some things. Well, that's the one video, that one. So then the next time I will show you some things I got this morning. Okay.